All right, this is a 52-inch Harbor Breeze Tebron garden ceiling fan installed out here on the screened-in porch. This is the final fan in the house, so closer look at it. I guess it had a light kit at some point on it because there's wires hanging there, but not 100% sure. It's got the Harbor Breeze logo on it. Yeah, fan's in pretty bad shape. It was installed here in 2003. It's when the screen and porch was put on the house, so I'm assuming that's when this fan was put up. So I'll start the demonstration of it now. And I got all the old kitchen cabinets in the way here, so it's kind of awkward to get to the fan chain. And of course, this is going to be getting replaced with the unknown kitchen fan. And if someone would kindly move these kitchen cabinets out of the way so I can take this fan down, it'd be a lot easier for me. That would be great. Fan wobbles pretty bad. I don't think it's going to fall because it's got the pin on it that holds it from the down rod onto the fan motor, so I'm not worried about that. It's going pretty crazy. They keep this fan on high though, so if they keep it on high, I guess I shouldn't have to worry. Oh yeah, it's rocking. It's rocking like a baby. These chains are going to get kind of funny to get to now. Okay, this should be medium. Wow. It's a good thing they're taking this down. Oh, that's pretty bad, but it's also got a bent blade on it, so don't fall. Well, kind of afraid to turn it up to high, but again, they keep it on high, so. Oh, actually doesn't wobble as much on high as medium. That's kind of weird. Yep, I can definitely see why they're taking this down. Yeah, I can't feel much air from it. All right, that's it for all the fans in this house. Hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more.